This is Constantine, the city that defies gravity. A place where nature didn't just exist, it created a legend. Carved by time, surrounded by deep gorges and towering cliffs, Constantine stands proudly above the Ruma River, flowing endlessly beneath. Each bridge tells a story of strength, unity, and connection. They don't just link two sides of the city, they unite history, culture, and nature. Here, every sunrise paints the cliffs with gold, and every sunset turns the city into poetry. Constantine is not only a destination, it's an experience, a reminder that nature and humanity can create magic. This is Constantine, wild, timeless, and unforgettable.